Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about Python functions. Imagine writing the same code again and again and again. What if I told you Python has a way to reuse the code like magic? Today you will learn about Python function, which exactly does that. So what is a function? Let us understand this with a real life example. Think of a function like a mixer grinder. You give it ingredients, it processes them. It gives you a result. In Python, a function does exactly that. It takes the input, it does some work, and it returns the output. In simple words, a function is a reusable block of code. Let us see how to create a function. Let us go back to our Jupyter notebook and create an IPYNB file and give it a name as function. Now, let us create our first Python function. Def greet parenthesis print, and the message is hello, welcome to Python. Now, let us understand what's happening here. So, in Python, the function is created with the help of def keyword. So, def is used to define the function. Greet is the function name, and parenthesis is used to pass the inputs to this function. In this case, we have not passed any inputs. In case we want to pass inputs, we can use parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis, we can pass the input. And print is the body of this function. Let us execute it. It got executed. But wait, nothing happened yet. It did not print this statement. Why? Because we must call the function in order to execute it. So, this is the way we call the function with the name parenthesis, and this statement got printed. Now, let's say I want to pass some inputs to this function. I want to print the name of the person also whom we are welcoming. Okay. Let's see how we can do that. Def greet parenthesis. In the parenthesis, let us give the name, and we can print hello name. Let us execute it. Let's call this function, and this time we will give a name in the brackets while calling the function because this function accepts name input. Let me give the name as John and execute. Wow, it prints hello John. If I give another name, let's say I give Alex, it prints hello Alex. So my function is accepting the name of the person and it is printing the hello statement with that name. This is how we give parameters to the function. We can give multiple parameters also. Let us see the same example again. Say I want to pass age. Okay. And let's say I want to add another statement. Age. Age. Now, let us execute it. Now, while calling this function, I need to pass two input parameters. Let's say John, and the age is 20. And if I execute, I get hello John, age 20 printed. Similarly, we can add multiple parameters to the function. So, this name and age, these are called parameter. These are function parameter. And the actual values like John, 20, Alex, these are arguments. So, this is terminology which we use in Python. These variable names are parameter and the value which we are passing like John, 20, Alex, these are arguments or to the function. Now, so far we have seen that we are passing the arguments, we are printing some statements, but what if we want to return something out of this function? Okay, let us see. Let's say I want to create a function which adds two numbers, a and b. These are parameters, and I want to return a plus b. Let me execute. Now it's time to call my function. Since I am returning a value, I want to capture it in a variable. Let's say the variable is result. So result equal to add and the two values. Let's pass 5, comma 3. And also I want to print the result. Let me execute. I got 8. So I passed 5 and 3 as the arguments, and this function is returning the sum of the two numbers, which is 8, which I am able to capture in the result variable because this function is returning, and we are capturing that value, the return value from the function in the variable result, and we are printing the result. Let us try one more value. Let's say I give 10 and I give, let's say, 4 and I execute. I get 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. So I am able to return the values from my function. This is all with respect to Python functions. Now it's hands-on time. These are some of the practice questions around functions. Please do hands-on on these questions and do let me know in the comment section if you face any difficulty. Thanks for watching.